Welcome! If you want to customize keyboard theme with your own picture on the ZTE Axon 11 5G, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now let's scroll down and go for the system, tap all the languages in input and go for the virtual keyboard. Select the Gboard and go for the theme. And right now we have to click right here. And here we can select the picture that we want to set up. So I'm going for this picture. Here we can also pitch it and drag and scale the picture, but I'm going to leave it like that. Click next. Here we are able to set up the transparency. I think this one looks really good. Click done, tap to apply, and right now we can check our new keyboard theme. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.